Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? So today I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys setting up a 4-channel dash cam setup in my 2016 WRX. Now what that means is I'm gonna have 4 dash cams running, and as you guys know, I've got the Blackvue DR900 in the front and back of my car. So I'm gonna take my previous 750 before I retire that and give it to a friend for their car. I'm gonna set it up with 4 dash cams. So there's gonna be front, back, and each of the sides. Now you might be wondering to yourself, why would I want to run 4 dash cams? I don't. I'm just doing this for the sake of demonstration to show you guys what it would look like if you wanted to run 4 dash cams, because there might be somebody out there who has a commercial application or something that they want to run 4 in. So this is what it would look like and how you'd go about it. But for me, it obviously is overkill to have 4 dash cams. I really have no need for that. So we're just gonna do this temporarily for this video. So this is what it looks like. We'll go get it set up. Alright, so we have the DR900S up front there. And then in the back, we've also got the DR900S mounted right there, you can see it. And then right here on the door, I've mounted the 750. Now, depending on like, if you were really gonna run a 4-channel setup, you wouldn't want this on your door, obviously. You'd have to find some sort of solution to mount it like up here on the inside. On the WRX, there isn't really any easy spots to put it. So I've just put it on the door here for the sake of demonstration in this video. And then over here on this side, I have the rear camera from the 750, also mounted there on the door. So now we can go drive and see what the 4-channel dash cam setup looks like.
you.